Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all for tuning in and welcome to my channel. So right now I am going to do a DIY avocado hair mask recipe. Yes, the things that you are going to need is 1 or 2 avocados. Then you're going to need olive oil and raw honey. But don't worry about the comb, even though there's a honey comb on the inside. Raw honey. Okay? Then you're going to need some type of mixture or blender, and a measuring spoon, regular spoon to dig the avocado out, and a knife to cut it, and maybe a spatula. Alright, let's get this started. Here's my bowl. Let me cut this open. You're gonna need 2 ripe avocados. Okay, you can buy a green one, but it will ripen really quick. So I kept this in the refrigerator and it ripened really quick. Okay, just cut this open. It's really ripe. Yeah, I am feeling a little better. A whole lot better. Okay, let's get this seed out. We're going to dig this on out. Most people squeeze it, but I rather dig it out. That way I be done gotten every bit of the avocado out. Make sure you get every bit from the walls of the skin. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then my raw honey, I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. And now I am going to mix it. Make sure you mix it up really well until it becomes really creamy. Okay, right now it's kind of at a pasty consistency, kind of at a paste. Make sure you get all the lumps out of it. You know, make sure you get all the lumps out, because you don't want anything left in your hair when you get ready to rinse it out. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Let me use my spatula. See, it's really creamy, almost like a relaxer. Okay, so this is just a quick video of me doing the DIY avocado hair mask for the hair. So stay tuned and watch me apply it. So thank you all for stopping by. Please hit the notification bell. Please subscribe, so that way you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Okay. Bye-bye.